Hello everybody and welcome to Because You Can. It looks like we've gone global, and to our friends in Italy, buongiorno. And to our guys in America, Canada, hello everyone, good on you. Thanks for watching. I want to thank you all for all your good comments. People here in Australia as well. Admittedly, you're all my relatives, but good on you for watching. And friends, obviously. Yeah, so today we're going to do some chicken, but before we do that, I want to thank my editor and my camera person, my daughter Nicolina. She's just wonderful. She's done a fantastic job, as you can see. She's done this, done that, put everything in place, and done a great job. Without her, we would be Because You Can't. So because we can, it's because she's there. Very good. Anyway, so now I'm going to show you how to make some chicken cutlet. We call it in Italy. Well, not in Italy, in Australia now, but my mum used to make this all the time. We all love it. My kids love it. It's a chicken, sliced chicken, and it's crumbed. It's simple. You can slice it, freeze it, and then pull it out and fry it later on. So you can do a heap of it, and then yeah, as you like, you pull it out and do it. And in this time of coronavirus at the moment, it's a bad time, so look after yourselves. Make sure you're eating healthy, and this is what this is all about. We're going to try and get you to eat healthy and cook yourself, stay at home, and let's get rid of this thing. All right, so we'll start with here. We've got some breasts here, some nice free-range chicken breasts they are. So they're beautiful. Look at that magic. So what you do with these is you slice them up, nice and thin I mean. You have a nice sharp knife. It's a little bit, this part's a little bit time consuming. So you do that, you slice them up like that, as many as large or as small as you want, or as you can. So here we are. We've cut the chicken now. As you can see, it's all on that plate. What I'm going to do now, I've got some eggs here and a bit of salt. The next stage of this is to coat the chicken with a little bit of egg. So then the crumb and the cheese and whatever mix you've got in there, you can put whatever you like in there. Cheese, crumb, breadcrumbs, a bit of herbing if you like it. It's up to your personal taste, that side of things. So you can do it whatever you like. I'm just going to have a bit of egg and some breadcrumbs and some Parmesan cheese, and that's how we like it. So what I'll do now is I'll just crack a couple of eggs into this bowl. So I've got a couple of eggs here. Those over there, out of the way. So try not to get any shells in the egg. So I'll just do so many at a time. As you can see, I'm not a fantastic egg cracker, but there you go. So now we just need a fork, or if you've got a whisk, you can use a whisk. I've got a nice fork here. Give it a bit of a beat. Now you've got to do this by, depending on how many chickens you got, you might not need 2 eggs. If you only got one breast or something, I mean, you only need maybe 1 egg. Or if you've got as many as I do, I might need more. So I'm just going to do 2 eggs to start with, see how it goes, and then do some more. I don't want to waste any food, especially at this time. Yeah, so there you go. I'm whipping it up. I'm just going to put a little bit of salt in there to give it a bit of taste. Not too much, obviously, but there you go. We'll whip that in with it. So we'll grab the chicken, and we'll put as many bits in here as we can. Just fork it in, get it all nice and coated with the chicken, with the egg. So, I mean, you can do this all these different ways if you like, and just run it through the egg and then crumb it straight away. But this is a good idea. You put as much chicken in here as you can, and then it's all ready to go. So all that chicken, I had 4 chicken breasts there. I can get it all in with the egg, with 2 eggs. 2 eggs does the job, so I'll just mix it all up now. Okay, so I've wiped this bench down with some detergent and cleaned it up, and I'm just wiping it down with some paper towel and drying it off. So that's how you get it nice and clean. So I'm back, I've wiped the bench down, I've cleaned everything up, I'm ready to go. I've got myself a nice, flat, fairly wide dish so I can work in there when I'm crumbing. If you want to get it, if you've got a wider one and you want it, that's fine, but this is good for me. So now I've got some breadcrumbs. Okay, here, a bag of breadcrumbs, which I'm probably going to need just about all of these, so I'll open it right up and I'll put them all in. And I've grated some Parmesan cheese in here, which is smelling beautiful, I must say. And I'm just going to use all that I've grated and then mix it in nicely with that. So here you go, I've done that. Get rid of that stuff there that I don't need. Get myself a spoon, or a spoon, that was a fork there, or that's in the wrong spot there. Oh my gosh, what's going on here? Anyway, I'm going to mix this in, Parmesan cheese and breadcrumbs. Just individually grab these chicken slices that we sliced earlier and make sure you've got egg on them. Just lay them in there, flatten them out, and then just with your hands just cover the whole lot in crumbs. That's how easy it is. I mean, you've probably done this before. Just give it a bit of a hammer like that so that the crumbs stick to it, and then you grab it, turn it around, do the same again. Once you've done that, put it on your plate and one's ready to roll. So just go through, do little ones, big ones, you know, little strips that you've cut. You might be able to get 2 little strips in there. Okay. And if you do 2 at a time. We're just about done, but as you can see, we've run out of coating material, breadcrumbs and cheese. So I'm going to grate a little bit more just to finish off. So just get your grater. So as you can see, we've actually done it fairly well. We've got hardly any breadcrumbs left, and we've made a little bit of a mess here, but we'll clean that up. But we're done now. We're ready to actually put these in the pan and go the final step and cook them. So then we can put them together with a salad and and there's your nice little meal. Very nutritious, good balance. We're back. We're ready to finally finish this off. What we've got here is, I'll put some in the freezer, I'll put them away, so they're ready for another time. What we've got here is I've got a few here that we're going to cook tonight for dinner. So I've put some oil in the pan, some canola oil, just covered the bottom with a little bit, probably, you know, just to cover the whole bottom of the pan. And you just let that get nice and hot before you put it in, and then I now have left it there long enough, and I'll put it in, and you can hear the sizzle. So just put them all in, one by one. Put that big one in. And another one. Now you've got to try and get them to the point where they're just golden brown. You don't want them too overcooked. Obviously you've got to cook the chicken because it's important. But yeah, that one there is, that little one that I'll put in, I'll show you, is just about done because it was only a small one. And there it is. So that's what it should look like when you bring it out. And you could probably give that one to someone to try. And you've got to be careful too here, because people seem to just sneak past and pinch them as you cook them. So you've got to keep your eye out. I'm going to finish these off and then we'll just plate it up with some chips, some salad, and we'll show you. And as you can see, the plate, that little piece is gone. Already someone has snaked in and taken it. And I can guarantee you who it is. It's the camera person, because she's the biggest cutlet person in the world. Here we are with the finished product. I've made some nice little potato wedges, put them in the oven, bit of salad, and the magic cutlet. So there's what it looks like. It's going to be magic. Give it a go. It's not hard. And you know why? Because you can. Wear your hat, subscribe, and like if you do.